Today I'm sharing with you how you can start selling on Amazon quickly using my local sourcing strategy. So stay tuned. Guys, make sure you download this local sourcing checklist. Link is in the description below. So have you been thinking about starting to sell on Amazon to supplement your income? It probably seems like you've got too much information and you haven't taken much action, which actually becomes quite discouraging in itself when you are learning, but you're not actually executing on any of the advice. So today I'm sharing with you some simple tips that you can implement and just start selling on Amazon by sourcing product that's available from wholesalers that are close to wherever you live, in whichever city you are. The thing with Amazon is until you actually start selling something, it doesn't feel real and it just feels like it's not going to work out for you at all. So you need to practice a little bit. But if you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Farah. I have been an Amazon seller for 12 years. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So today, like I said before, we're talking about how you can start selling on Amazon really quickly by sourcing products that are local to you. I live in Manchester, and Manchester is pretty much the fast fashion capital of the UK. There are actually so many factories producing fast fashion in the UK for a lot of internet companies like Boohoo, River Island, etc. But there is also a huge wholesale market here. You can pretty much call this a hub of fashion where you can find all sorts of accessories, clothing, pretty much anything you want to find, you can find it here. So I decided I will take you guys on a little trip and we will source some local product and I will show it to you, what I find. But before we jump into that part of the video, I just want to clarify that yes, it will be easier for you to just sit on your laptop and do your research and order something off Alibaba and just contact suppliers. But I find that process for beginners can be a little bit daunting, especially for people who have never done business before and they have never worked with suppliers and they are coming from a job background. It can be a bit daunting and you can end up losing money if you order the wrong kind of product. You will have to order in bulk at least 100 pieces or 200 pieces of any product to be able to get like a decent price. And the alternative method where I'm talking about sourcing local, you can walk into any of these wholesale places run by mostly Chinese companies. You can walk into there and they only expect you to spend at least £100, or in case of accessories like scarves and handbags, they only expect you to spend up to £50. So you don't have to buy 200 units of anything. You can walk away with a handful of product, and all of that product is basically white label product. There is no branding on it. So you will have really good quality product from a supplier that you can regularly go in and buy from. And in case of returns, you can actually go back and give them the damaged product back. I think is a really great thing because they won't give you a refund, but you will be able to buy more product from that money. And if you're watching from outside the UK, you just have to type in Google wholesalers near me and just put in the category you're looking for: toys, fashion, whatever. Yeah, I think that's a great way to start. So let's quickly get to Google, and I just want to show you what I mean by searching by location for your local wholesalers. So I already started this search for toys wholesalers. So you can see it's showing me options for according to my location where I am at. So you can just change that to wherever you want to search for. So let's say I want to look in California. Where are the toys wholesalers? You can see that it's giving me different options by location, by map. It's also showing me maybe these YouTube videos are by wholesale channels, but you can see that if I change the type I'm looking for, so if I want to look for, let's say, wholesale for kitchen supplies, that's a popular category that people want to start selling in on Amazon. So you can see all the suggested, it's showing by different areas. So I am going to look for the UK one. When you scroll down, you will see that let's check this kitchenware website. That looks interesting. Let's just see what we find. So you can see this website. It's not a consumer kind of website. It's actually for trade people, which will be, if you want to sell kitchen supplies, you will be a trade person. So there's loads of different options. This is a directory of other wholesalers if you want to dig deeper. But just go to Google and just type in wholesale for whatever type of industry you're looking at. Here you can see it's showing me now different types of locations that I'm looking at. Have you guys heard about InTheStyle.com? This company is based out of Manchester too. And the reason I'm mentioning this is this guy started from doing wholesale fashion from Manchester, selling, dresses, just went in with a couple of £100 to the local wholesalers, got some dresses, started listing it online. And even though he doesn't mention Amazon, but I'm pretty sure he must have started from there and then went on to Instagram and influencer marketing, working with UK reality stars. The point is he started sourcing locally. You can walk away with the handful of product, and you can take pictures and just list it on Amazon and just see if you like doing this thing or not. Another way of looking at this whole local sourcing strategy is that you can find manufacturers in the UK who are producing food products, beauty products, and like I said, fast fashion. There are many different industries that products are being produced in the UK for, and if you just do a quick search, you will be able to find a lot of manufacturers. If you don't want to buy product from Chinese wholesalers and you want to invest in product development and make your own private label product, you can actually do that here right in the UK. You can visit these manufacturers. The sampling process is not going to be as expensive as doing sampling in China, where samples can be quite expensive. As you might have seen on Alibaba, they charge £35, £40 for a sample of a small product, which is in a way sort of discouraging it. But I think if you go ahead with the order, they might just give you a discount to offset the sampling cost. But the point is, either you can start small, source locally from your local wholesalers, which are pretty much from China, to be honest, and just see and just gradually build up your account. And when you're ready to start ordering from China, you always go on Alibaba and just order from there for the same product. I hope it's all making sense to you. But before you plan your visit, make sure that you have some sort of plan about what sort of products you're looking for, and you have already checked the demand on Amazon for those products, because once you arrive in those places, there is sea of product in front of you, and you want to go in there with a plan and just pick what you need and then come away from it. And you don't want to spend money on unnecessary product that you would end up not actually putting on sale. I've created a little checklist, so make sure you click the link in the description below and get that to help you prep better for your first visit to these wholesalers. We're going to go to this Wholesale Hub that's near my place, and I'm going to take you guys around, and there's so many different kind of products there, so many different kind of wholesalers that are there. I don't think I would be able to take you in with me to inside of most of the places. I'm going to try to ask one or two people that I know. So like I said, I would get some product for you guys to show, and I will probably list this product for you. But here's a sample of some of the products that I got from the showroom I took you guys to. Let me just open some of these samples and show you the quality. So here you can see I got this really beautiful silk viscose scarf, and just look at how silky, and it's just beautiful. What I'm gonna do is in the next video I will take some photos of this of these products, and I am going to list them on Amazon for you, and I will show you how to build a listing too. I hope you guys found this video useful. I took you on a bit of a journey today with me to source some local products. There are so many different suppliers here, it's mind-boggling. I actually only work with like just 3 or 4 handful of suppliers, and I just like to stay with them because you will, as you explore this kind of option, you will see that there are only certain people you would like to work with, you will end up building good relationships with. And if they happen to be based in China, you don't need to go to Alibaba to source anything. You can just ask these people and find trustworthy factories who will give you, competitive pricing, and you can just place order through them. And it's a sort of more like one-to-one, human-to-human relationship instead of, Alibaba, where you are just talking to loads of different suppliers and there's no relationship there. But I think for any beginner who wants to start selling on Amazon, this is a great strategy. You just walk into your local wholesalers and you buy a bunch of product, and you can come home, take some pictures and just start selling. Open your account and just start selling. And I think that's the easiest way with least friction to start selling on Amazon. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How long you've been thinking about selling on Amazon, why you haven't started. If I can help you guys with any questions, let me know. I hope you guys found this video useful. I will see you next week. Bye.